Let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Imagine AI as a broad umbrella that covers various technologies designed to mimic human intelligence. It's like the big picture, where machines can perform tasks that typically require human thinking, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, or making decisions. Now, let's zoom in on one of the key components of AI: machine learning. Think of machine learning as a subset of AI that focuses on teaching machines to learn from data. Instead of programming them with specific rules, we feed them large amounts of data, and they identify patterns and make predictions. For example, when you use a recommendation system on a streaming service, it analyzes your viewing habits and suggests shows you might like based on what similar users have enjoyed. That's machine learning in action. Next up is deep learning, which is a more advanced form of machine learning. Picture it as a multi-layered neural network that mimics how our brains work. Deep learning excels at processing vast amounts of unstructured data, like images and audio. For instance, when you upload a photo to social media, deep learning algorithms can recognize faces, objects, and even emotions in that image. It's like giving machines a superpower to understand complex data in ways that traditional machine learning can't. Now, let's talk about generative AI. This is where things get really exciting. Generative AI refers to algorithms that can create new content, whether it's text, images, music, or even video. Think of it as a digital artist or writer. For example, tools like DALL-E can generate stunning images from simple text prompts, while language models like GPT can craft coherent and contextually relevant text. Generative AI is revolutionizing creativity, allowing us to explore new ideas and possibilities. To recap, we've explored the hierarchy of these technologies. AI is the overarching concept. Machine learning is a subset that learns from data. Deep learning is a more complex version that mimics our brain's neural networks. And generative AI is the creative force that produces new content. Each of these plays a crucial role in shaping our digital landscape. So, what's the takeaway? Understanding these differences not only helps us appreciate the technology around us, but also empowers us to engage with it more effectively. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business professional, or just curious about the future, grasping these concepts is essential. Dive deeper into these topics, explore the tools available, and consider how you can leverage them in your own life or work. The future is here, and it's powered by AI.